Okay, so this lucky last question, number 8, is a couple of slightly more complicated balancing equations, but you still follow the same basic rules. So let's get straight into them. Alright, the goal is to, wherever this arrow is, to have the same number of everything on this side as we do on this side here. So let's start with the biggest, ugliest one. I reckon it's this. 2 aluminiums. We've got 2 aluminiums on this side. So I need 2 aluminiums on this side. I put a big 2 in front because I only had 1. Okay, so you can see 2 aluminiums on this side, 2 on this side. Alright, now let's have a look at the oxygens. I've got 3 on this side, and I've only got 2 on this side. Okay, so which side needs more oxygen? Well, this one does. So let's put a big 2 in front of this side. Okay, fantastic. Well, 2 lots of 2 gives me 4 oxygens. So now we've got too many on this side. We've got 4 on this side now. We've only got 3 on this side. So we need more on this side. So I'm going to put a big 2 in front of here. And 2 lots of 3, what does that do now to this formula? Well, now means we've got 2 lots of 2 aluminiums. So we're going to have 4. So this was 2 aluminiums. Big 2 in front means we've got 2 lots of that. 2 lots of 2 are 4. And then here we've got 3 oxygens. 2 lots of 3 mean we have 6 oxygens. Wow, now we've got too many oxygens on this side. We don't have enough on this side. This side is less. So let's try and put a bigger number. Let's go slightly higher. So we put a 3 in front of this one. So 3 lots of 2 are 6. We get 6 oxygens on this side now. And hopefully you can see now we've got 6 oxygens on this side and 6 oxygens on this side. Here it's 3 lots of 2, and on this side it's 2 lots of 3. Alright, in both cases we have 6 oxygens. So let's double check that everything's happy. 2 aluminiums here. Oh, I've got 4 aluminiums here, so again we're going to have to bump that one up to 4. So my final answer, there we go, is 4 in front of the aluminium, 3 in front of this one, and 2 in front of this one. The 4 gives me 4 aluminiums here, and we should always double check. So let's check 4 aluminiums and 4 aluminiums on that side. That matches up. 3 lots of 2 means 6 oxygens on this side, and 2 lots of 3 oxygens means 6 on this side as well. So it's all balanced. Okay, let's do the lucky last one. This one's a kind of extra mean, and it's more sort of a start on what you're going to do next year. So let's have a look at that and see if we can balance it. I reckon this one looks like the biggest formula. It's got 3 different things in it, so I'm going to start there. But it doesn't really matter where you start. So the arrow is kind of our dividing line. We need the same number of everything on this side as we do on this side. So let's have a look. 1 sodium. I've got 1 sodium. And on this side I've got 1 sodium. So far so good. I've got 1 oxygen. Okay, I've got 1 oxygen here, and I've got 1 oxygen on this side. So far that's good. Now the hydrogens, this is the trick. You might look at this and go, we've got 1 hydrogen, but we actually have 3. We've got another 2 of them over here. So we've got to put these ones together because they're still on this side of the equation. We count up everything on this side of the equation. So 1 here and an extra 2 here, we've got 3 altogether. And we've got 2 hydrogens on this side. We've only got 2. So again, we don't have enough hydrogens on this side. So let's put a big 2 in front of here. And that's now going to give me 2 lots of 2 hydrogens. And it's going to give me 2 oxygens. Okay? So it's going to give me 2 lots of 2 hydrogens. So 4 hydrogens and 2 oxygens. So that means, I'll just redraw that little line there. Okay? So that means I've now got 4 hydrogens on this side. So that means now we don't have enough on this side. So how can I get more? Now we could either put a 2 in front of here, in front of this one, or we could put a 2 in front of this one. And I've given you a little bit of a clue. There's a space for a number on this one and there isn't on there, so that might give it away already. But let's think about it. If I put a 2 in front of here, then I'd have 4 hydrogens here plus the one over here. It'd be too many. If we put a big 2 in front of this one, we get 2 sodiums, 2 oxygens, and 2 hydrogens. So these 2 hydrogens plus these 2 mean we've got what we're after. We've actually got now 4 hydrogens. So we've got to go through and we've got to double check everything now. And we look at 2 sodiums. Oh, I've only got 1 here, so we need a 2 there. Okay, so now let's double check everything again. Start from the beginning. We've got 2 sodiums here and 2 sodiums on this side, so they're balanced. I've got 2 oxygens on this side, and I've got 2 oxygens on that side. I've got 2 hydrogens here, because of the big 2, and 2 over here. So I've got 4 hydrogens, and on this side, 2 lots of 2 are 4 hydrogens. So that's how you balance this one here. Cool, I hope you found this video helpful, and good luck in your test.